getting. So for those that have completed the initial code, the error, why we are getting that error of operation not defined, because we did not acknowledge at the point of declaring variable the operators that we intend to use. So what I've done here now is just to add this line of code where I want to capture the operators so that once they are entered, they will be recognized in the calculator. That is just the error. So let me hold on for at least 1 or 2 persons to also complete the code so that we can confirm it and then move to the next topic or next task. Please, can you indicate if you are writing so I will know, so I will not just be waiting unnecessary. How many people are still writing?
So I'm writing.
Okay, so let me still wait. All right, so let's look at the communication one more time, see how the calculator will respond to our input. So we give the first number, second number, then to ask us. So this was what was missing. So to ask you to choose your operator. So if you choose plus, it will add these 2 numbers. If you choose minus, it will subtract the 2 numbers. If you choose times, so let me choose plus. So once I choose plus and I press enter, then I get what? The outcome. So I can take it again. Let's try for another operator. So let me give it 200 and 700. And then I am giving times. And then it multiply the 2 value. So you can try it for division and then go and let me also try it for division. Let's say we have 70 first number. We want to divide it by 50. Our operator is this. So you can see that we are having a decimal point. So if I want to convert it to integer, then all I have to do, then you have to, at this point of defining the operator, you have to put 2 there. So you cannot just call it without acknowledging it here. So if I go back and run the code now, so let's say I want to take that division again, since we have changed it to modulus. So let's say 70, first number, 50, second number, then I will now type 2 of it. So it's an invalid operator. Invalid, okay, which means this concept will not be able to rectify it. Yes, because I think let's also put it here and see if I think that should be the issue. 70 again, given 50, given the modulus, invalid. Okay, so couldn't get it. So let's just try with the one that we have confirmed. Let's just try with the one we have confirmed. So confirm your app whether it's running perfectly, just like the way mine run now. Then we can now look at introduction to the next topic, where we will also be looking at this conditional statement fully. It's possible that just try it. It should be able to work for you. So you have to change it at 3 level. So here you have to put 2 here. Just somebody should try that and let me know. Put 2 of it here, put 2 here, and then where you are writing your conditional statement here, put 2 here as well. I think that should be able to give us results. Somebody should try it and let us know. All right. So you can see that why the network switched me off. Try correcting it. So I added to slash here, added it here also. And then we also updated it here, and then we are able to get the expected results. So how many persons have confirmed their calculator working perfectly? Let me get a response.
I got the same answer.
Okay, let's confirm.
1.0.
Okay, so let's also confirm from someone else. Those that wrote the code, have you confirmed your app working? I just want to give us an introduction, or maybe I should just wait till tomorrow so that you can get the introduction.
I got 0.0. Is that okay?
What value did you
First
input?
number.
What was your first number?
First number 50, second number 70.
Okay. Yes. It depends on how you supply the numbers. If you start with 70, which is higher, because just like you are dividing a lower number with a higher number, I believe that is why you are getting that. Can you reverse it? Let's see whether we'll have the same to 1.0, just to be sure that you're
Okay.
running.
Let me see 70. Let me see 30. Okay, now I get 2.0, 70, first number, second number 30.
Okay, good. Your
I
app
got
is
2.0.
I got 1.0 too, sir.
So is
okay.
it working now?
Yes, it's working. It's working. That is for Uchen. Okay, that is if Uchen, I wanted to say something. You've got to the same thing.
Yeah, I said I got the same 1.0, sir.
Okay, so we advise that because even if I start the control structure, we may not get to where we'll be able to do something practical. So let me just reserve it for tomorrow. So which means that we will start the control structure tomorrow and also finish it. So let us endeavor to join on time. During that network issue, the first recording stopped as this one. So I need to doubt it if I can make the video available to us this night, because I will have to convert them, mesh them to become one video. So we have to stop here. If you have any question, you ask. Tomorrow we'll start the control structure and then I finish it. I actually wanted to do an intro. Then we'll complete it, but I want it to be in a full video, in a full record video, instead of having part of it here and then having part of it there. Do we have any question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is your question?
For this one we just did now. I think this one we just did is the division, sir. I don't know.
Yeah, confirm orders now. Confirm order. Run the code again. Then you choose different operators. Run the code again. Choose.
So now,
times.
if
Okay, go ahead. Maybe you still want to ask.
okay, if I'm choosing for instance, now I want to choose the plus.
Yes.
I want to plus. Then for this operation equal to input equal to input enter of operation. Should I declare the plus sign the way I declare the division sign in the operation? And in my conditional statement, should I declare the plus sign as well?
The question you are asking right now,
Hello?
Can you hear me? If you can hear me, that's if your network is not stable. Can you hear me? Let me find out.
Yes, I'm hearing you, sir.
Okay,
yes,
now,
I'm hearing you, sir.
so I'm responding to your question. Now, what you are asking, the solution is here. any operator. Remember initially when we did not add this line of code, which means that where Python will ask us to enter the calculation operator, we are going to indicate plus or minus. As at that time, we have not acknowledged it in the Python memory. That was why we're getting that invalid operator or operation. Now, what we did is to come back and, receive them, acknowledge them from user by saying input, enter. So if the person enter plus, this plus that this person is entering here is going to tally it with this. So there are 3 places where you need to meet that criteria. 1 here at the point of returning. 2 here at the point of 2 here. You can see it. This is the second one. All right. So you have to acknowledge it here. You have to acknowledge it here. You have to also what? Acknowledge it in your functions. Remember that we declare function for each of them. This one is for add, and you say it's going to be plus. This one is for subtraction, and you say it's going to be minus. This one is for times, and you say it's going to be this, and this one is for division. Now here, you now capture all those signs inside here. Then when we are checking, when we are now performing the if statement, you have to what? Define the operator plus, minus, this to work with the numbers, because remember that we have already programmed that certain number will be collected from the users. So when those numbers are collected from users, then once you supply your operator, any operator you have defined here, that is also in the function, that is when it will work. I don't know if I've answered your question, sir. So you have to declare that operator here.
Okay.
Is that clear to you?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
If, for instance, now I want to use the plus. Is it possible? Like, should I remove the division first before I add the plus, or can I add the plus?
No. You
together
run
with
the
division?
program again. You run the program again. Look at this. Once I run this program again, and it's asking me for the first number. So if I put 80 and I press enter, and it's asking me for second number, I put like 40. All right. Now look at it. Now it's asking you for what? Any of those declared what? Operator. So if I type plus, it means I'm telling Python that these 2 numbers, add them together. If I type minus, which means that these 2 numbers subtracts, according to the order you enter them, subtract 40 from what? 80. Are you getting it now? This is where you have to control it. So if I type plus here now, what do you think is going to happen if I press enter?
Yes.
What will happen with these 2 numbers? I'm asking you.
It will plus the number together now.
Now, if you want to do for minus, you run the code again. When you get here, you put what? Minus. If you want to do for times, you run the code again. When you get here, you put times. I hope I've answered your question.
Okay.
Did you understand it now?
Right. Let me say I understand 70%, sir.
Okay, let somebody else explain. Can somebody understand it better and answer him? Maybe you understand your version as a student, so that you can get 100%.
Sir, let me try.
Okay.
I think his question is, when we are doing for division, you put 2 division because you want to get a whole number without decimal.
Okay.
So I believe his question is, if you are running for plus, do you have to put 2 plus? If I'm
Good. I wanted to ask him.
Okay, yes. I think you are explaining it more better now.
So the reason why you are putting the 2 division sign is for you not to get a decimal number, maybe like 1.1, 1.2. If you are running your code, do you understand? But if you are doing for others, you don't need to put 2 plus or 2 minus or 2 times. Do you understand? So I think that's how I can best explain.
Okay, so Mercy, that means If for the plus now I'm doing for the plus, I
Yes,
should just add 1 plus, right?
exactly.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Merci.
Okay.
If I
No problem.
hope you are good
You're
now.
welcome, sir.
Huh?
You are
Yes.
good. All right. So see us tomorrow.
Yes, I think
Make,
Messi have given me
make,
the
make,
30.
make sure that you practice and you understand the concepts, because tomorrow's session we are going to use more of these if statements and the rest of them. All right, so good night, everyone. See you tomorrow, same time.
Good night, sir.
Nice.
Okay, thank you.
Good night.